Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bagel pizza in an air fryer. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need bagel halves, your favorite pizza sauce, and shredded mozzarella cheese. Also, select any additional toppings you love, like pepperoni or diced peppers. Preheat your air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure even cooking. This quick prep makes the process super smooth. Now, let's assemble your delicious bagel pizzas. Take each bagel half and spread 1 to 2 tablespoons of your favorite pizza sauce evenly across the surface. Next, generously sprinkle about 1/4 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce. Finally, add your chosen toppings, such as mini pepperonis or finely diced vegetables, ensuring they are distributed well. It's time to air fry. Carefully place 2 to 4 assembled bagel halves into your air fryer basket, making sure not to overcrowd them. Cook at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 8 minutes. Keep an eye on them. You want the cheese to be perfectly melted and bubbly, and the bagel crust to be golden brown and crispy. Your delicious air fryer bagel pizzas are ready. Carefully remove them from the air fryer basket, as they will be hot. Allow them to cool for just 1 to 2 minutes before taking that first bite. This quick cooling period helps the cheese set perfectly. Feel free to add a sprinkle of fresh basil or red pepper flakes for extra flavor. Enjoy your easy, homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.